And Rayson State Witness, Etikatsu Speedmaker, Moscow Ballet. Moving up, Queen Sprayer, alongside by Darrell Iscampay, Benissimo, and Backyard B-Boys running at the tail of the field, Speedmaker, followed by State Witness, Moscow Ballet. Moving up by Darrell Queen Prayer alongside Etikatsu Benissimo, and rounding the far turn, Speedmaker, State Witness, Moscow Ballet, Queen's Prayer, Benissimo alongside fourth as they race the last 500. And number 3, Speedmaker, State Witness. In between runners rising up is the favorite, Moscow Ballet, Benissimo, as they race the final corner. Moscow Ballet, State Witness from the outside, fighting it up for the lead. State Witness, Moscow Ballet, Donori inside, Speedmaker, Benissimo, Queen's Prayer. State Witness, Moscow Ballet, Donori inside, Moscow Ballet. Do it from number 8, State Witness. Third, Benissimo, Speedmaker, Kampai, Echikatsu, Queen's Prayer, and number 1, Backyard B-Boy.
Alright, mukhang 5-8-6.